In this example, I'm going to show how to use the My Plan template to place orders for labs, follow-ups, diagnostics, and procedures done within the office. So on the intake template, under the orders section, I'm going to select Add. When I select the Add button, this is going to pull the My Plan template. Okay. At the My Plan template, once I have my common assessments selected, they will load here in the diagnosis window section. In this case, I'm going to select backache. So when I select backache, it puts the assessment right above the diagnosis table window. You can also see that it preloads all of the labs or diagnostics, instructions, any additional labs, follow-ups, or any office procedures that I may do within this particular diagnosis, So to order labs using this backache diagnosis, I will select my labs that I want to order by placing a check mark next to those labs. And if I want to order a diagnostic, I will place a check mark in there. What if there's a diagnostic or a lab that I need to order that's not on this template? I can simply add that in by selecting the down pointing arrow. In this example, it's going to be in the diagnosis or the diagnostics, and I'm going to go ahead and select X-ray. Then I'm going to search for the X-ray that I want. And I'm just going to select one. And let's say this may be an X-ray that we commonly use for backache. Then at that point I can go ahead and select the Save Order Set. What that will do is it's going to save this X-ray. So every time I select backache, this X-ray will automatically load now in my template. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Let's say we're going to do an injection as well. I'm going to select the office procedure. If we ordered or was going to prescribe a walker, I can select that as well. Also, there's instructions in here I can select, and I can also put in the follow-up too for today's visit. I'm going to put 6 months. Once I've placed a check mark in all the things that I'm going to order for this patient, I'm going to select Place Order. As you notice, all the checkboxes have now disappeared on this template because I have placed the order, and now that information has been moved to another table. I can now select another diagnosis if I need to, and I can continue to add any additional information for this particular diagnosis, and I can continue to do that with any other diagnosis that I've already selected. As you can see, for each one that I select, the template changes. You can pre-design these templates for each diagnosis. Once I'm finished, it will save and close. And now my labs and my diagnostics have been ordered. They will also appear when that patient goes to checkout. They will also see my labs, my diagnostics, also my follow-up at the checkout. And at this time too, a requisition can be printed.